The 15 best Instagram accounts for self-care spaces. First up is skincare.com's Instagram. They curate the best photos from around the gram in all things self-care. Just look at that bath situation, courtesy of @Aloe and Glow. You'll get tons of ideas for your own self-care spaces throughout your home and some good product recommendations, too. Australia-based Crystal Castle is brought to you by the Shambhala Gardens. Their Insta is chocked full of beautiful arrangements of stunning crystals, gardens, and more. This photo by Jesslyn Belinda shows one of the many spaces you can visit. We can't stop oohing and awing over those beautiful rose quartz stones. Meg's Insta is a self-care haven where she shows the best dishes she makes, calming bath setups, and meditation stations. You'll also get a ton of healthy recipe ideas to enjoy in your self-care spaces, so you can't go wrong by following her page. Sarah and Rich Combs, the couple behind the Joshua Tree House, have a visually stunning feed that will transport you to the depths of the Sonoran and Mojave. The desert chic vibe is in every photo and you'll want to book a room in one of their homes immediately. Rachel is a mom, yogi, and all-around self-care queen. Her account features all the different places she does yoga, both at home and out of the house. With tiny details, beautiful tapestries, and more, you're bound to find inspiration from her Insta. Kelly is a master of boho interior design and her feed is filled with tons of fresh ideas for inviting more relaxation and self-care into your own home. From tiny corner styling to peaceful bedrooms, you'll be more than ready to imitate Kelly's style in your own home. For a feed that's as zen as the company's physical space, look no further than Standard Dose's account. This spacious and chic wellness boutique just opened up shop in Manhattan and has everything from a meditation room to high-quality CBD products for purchase. Cam Lee is a yogi who lives in Vancouver. She has tons of amazing shots practicing yoga in every type of setting. From airy yurts to plant-filled rooms, Cam's Insta will have you rolling out your yoga mat in no time at all. Inscape is an NYC-based wellness and meditation space. The space's Instagram showcases its various gorgeous meditation rooms, and provides doses of self-care reminders. You'll want to start practicing mindfulness more often after scrolling through the feed. The Den Meditation is a studio that provides meditation classes for every single lifestyle out there. Their Instagram is full of meditation spaces, crystals, sage, and more. You will have tons of ideas for your own home after looking through their account. Just take this serene setting captured by @HER Travel Style for example. This page is a beautiful testament to slowing down and just being in the present moment. This page features pictures of the beautiful meditating spaces with incredible views that can all be experienced at the Birdhouse El Nido in the Philippines. Ayana Wellness's IG feed is curated with lovely wellness shots from around Instagram. This beautiful bath setting by Manuela Kaplan is just one example of the tons of self-care spaces this page pulls to inspire you. Yurts are airy and peaceful, so much so that this Instagrammer decided to live in one full-time in the backcountry of Colorado. You'll want to pack up your own house and live the yurt life after scrolling through this feed. Not only will you get tons of travel inspo from Taryn's Instagram, you'll also get tons of ideas for color schemes, furniture, decor and more for your own self-care spaces. The name says it all. This New York City-based spa and cafe knows how to prioritize self-care. You can drink lavender lattes and get massages at the physical location, and you can get decorating inspiration, self-care tips, and funny images from Chillhouse's feed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.